coat the bottom of the pan with a little bit of melted margarine. Let's add our salmon fillets to it. Skin side down. Let's see, got that? Yeah, this will be perfect. Okay, a little snug. Or could do it like that. All right, all is well with that. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and use some melted margarine on top of the salmon. Just drizzle some on top. Next, I'm gonna sprinkle salt and pepper on the salmon. Go ahead and use these cilantro leaves. I have my oven set at 350. Okay, this is perfect. While the salmon bakes in the oven, that looks pretty. While that bakes in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the long grain white rice. Okay, so we need one. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of water. It's a little bit over a cup. Okay. So that's 1 cup of water. We're gonna add 1 cup of water. Then we're gonna have a half. So the salmon is done. That's finished baking. That's really, really pretty. The salmon is done baking. And the rice is done as well. Okay. So what we're going to do is let the rice sit off to the side for a few minutes. And I'm going to get started on the mixed vegetables. And they are frozen mixed vegetables, so it won't take that much time. Okay. So let me jazz up the rice a little bit. Just my little spin on it. So I have already the cilantro leaves. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of cilantro leaves. Okay. One tablespoon of basil leaves. Stir it all down. It's pretty, right? And I did turn the heat back on low. I'm going to add a little bit, the rest of the margarine. And I'm going to add I use these chicken cubes to cook just about everything. So I'm just going to use just maybe not even half. Just a snippet of it. I'm just going to add it in. And I'm going to add in garlic powder. Now this is 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. In fact, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. the last of my gonna eyeball the onion powder because that's the last of it. Alright, just stir it up. Just stir it all together. You can add more or less seasoning or margarine. And I just want that chicken cube to melt in and blend in. So make sure you stir it up. And yes, I do have the oven. Yes, I do have the stove turned up on low just to mix up my rice. And you can use more or less seasoning. It's up to your taste buds and according to what you, and actually you can use according to what you like in your rice. I just wanted to add a little flavor to my white rice. It was kind of bland looking. So I try to make it nice and pretty. And the chicken cube is melting down. It's getting all around. I still see pieces of it, so I just want to make sure we get in so there won't be any clumps in anyone's food. And I'm stirring it and keeping the lid off of my pot. I don't want my rice to become mushy. Okay. So that chicken cube is well dissolved. And I only use like not even a half of a chicken cube. Okay. Make sure I got all the rice out the nooks and crannies. And voila. Now it's just time to eat. And I'm starving. Okay. Allowing, okay, pretty much in a nutshell for the peas and carrots. I just added enough water in the bottom of the pan. Just as far as the peas and carrots, I just added enough water in the bottom of the pan to just pretty much not cover the vegetables, but have room for the vegetables to cook in. And I'm just going to add some of the margarine, like 2.5 serving spoons of margarine. Stir that in. A little salt for taste. Let those cook on high. Let's add a little pepper. Salt and pepper for taste. Let those cook on high. Pretty much turn them off. I don't want them mushy. Add a lid. I'm going to stick these to the side and let those continue.